Lali kuphi guys? Ngijola le para by mistake.
Mlalelo wami njengantatheli yakhe hamba phambili ehleli kulethele ehamba phambili ngiyabingelela kuphi nakubi la kufunye khona lo mbuzo njengamanje ubingelela yena Mathinda Ceba sintambo zomqamu labehlakha abanye zibaqamela imali uthi ukwazi ngane yakwethu ngihamba usuku lakho lokuqala ngicatha enze kulungile upress i-subscribe button ushare uphinde ucomment wenze sure ukuthi ivideo yayilalela yonke ebese uyacomment wenze sure ukuthi awuphumi evidweni ungalayikile ngani zakwethu namhlanje ngiphathela usisi echaza istory sakhe nendlela athatheka ngayo kubhuti kanti ke ubhuti uyilabo abadla idakamizwa nendawo yakhe futhi ayicacile lalela umlaleli wami ukuthi wathola kanjani ivideo ino part 1 no part 2 no part 3 but mina ngizohlanganisela konke ngoba uphethe bani intatheli yakho ehamba phambili nayi video umlaleli wami ithokozela
As it, yo, guys. So Gimlo, I had visited Ikas, like my mom's, like where my Nkaya, like Ekaya, where my mom stays, right? So I was visiting Konapana Ekas, right? Gimlo, I'm deciding, let me go to the shops and get something. I'm walking to the shops, right? I see this slim yana, cute yana guy. You understand? Smoking his cigarette, and he says hi, and I say hi back, right? And then he just, I can't remember what exactly he said, but guys, what caught my eye was his accent, He had a very beautiful accent, and he was very, like, eloquent, in his speech. It was really, really attractive. And I'm like, okay, sounds like private Skulunyana guy. And I'm like, okay, all right. So I was captured by that. We started talking. And to make it worse, he sounded really intelligent. We spoke about current affairs. We spoke about politics, things that captured my attention. You understand? We spoke about all those things. I see walking, go to the shops, buy what I'm buying, walk back, right? And then I'm like, I know I'm the Sibindi daughter, right? Oh, he's like, oh, okay, I know your parents. Yeah, they're really cool people, in the community. I'm like, yeah, And then I'm like, but anyway, I'm not sleeping here. I'm going to be going back to my house in like a couple of minutes. He's like, oh, no, it's fine. I can actually take you to your house. Where'd you stay? I tell him where I stay, which is not far from like home, ne? I tell him, I'll take you home. Oh, okay, fine, cool. And then like I get in the house, I spend about an hour. Then when I jump out, I see him like standing outside, right? And he waves. So when he waves, he just points, right? Then he points at Ibaki, right? Where I drive Ibaki. But it was like some old Ibaki. I'm sure looks like they were using it for like buying my cabbages to go sell in market and everything. Oh well, he drives me home. Guys, the conversation is very nice, right? I get home. Instead of me being dropped off at home, I instead go into the house inside. Like I change clothes, right? And we go to KFC, we buy food, and we sit in the car and talk until like 3, 4 a.m. Yeah, well, and then at that point, he asked for my number, and I give it to him, and then he goes, right. Guys, say ham, the relationship with Nandi, guys, we're talking, we're texting all the time, and it's really good. So like after about my 3 weeks, I invite him over to my house, right, to come sleep at my house. So guys, this is the kick of it, right? I'm a tips of his fingertips, like they were black. His lips were black. But because I saw him smoking, and I don't have any smokers in my family or people that are close to me that smoke, I naturally assume it's cigarettes that will burn you. That's all I'm assuming, guys. Anywho, okay, comes visits me, guys, he's clean. We are showerisha, he's brushing his teeth. He's clean, guys. There's no telltale sign. Guys, but he didn't look like one. He didn't behave like one. He was fine. Guys, ne? We go to bed, right? And then it's fine. He didn't even rush me for Estonian or anything. I was angry that night. So I still next thing I papa, guys, it's around 3 or something a.m. I am cold, right? So the blankets are open. I open my eyes. I look, okay, but the main door is open. I walk towards the door. I see it because like bedroom and then lounge and then like the main entrance, like a lounge area to the veranda. And then I see Gulo Moya like by the curtains. And then I open by the curtains. He's standing there and he's smoking, right? And I'm like, okay. I ignore. I go back. I'm like, maybe he needed a smoke. I go back to bed. I sleep, guys. Weeks move, and it's fine. And sometimes when I go visit my mom, I'm seeing him taking walks as usual. People are seeing us together. This one time, I'm walking by myself. This lady comes to me and she's like, usho to jola no lo MQ, right? And then no, as a jola Q. Jola Q, na jola Q, but I when Q pela ipara. You know, Q. How Q is not a junkie, I refuse. But I know very paramos. He smokes what with so and so and so and so and so and so. Imagine me now, so and so and so and so and so. So guys. And I'm like, I never, guys. I refuse. I'm like, I never. They're like, I know. Do not even as a community, as the mothers in the community were wondering, what did this successful young lady see go parallel? I'm like, I know my person is gonna para. Guys, and I'm in love now. There's nothing you can tell me about my person. Para for who? For who? For the why? You're hating. I don't want to hate people. I mean, hey. I can't do cash and magazines, guys. Kubenjalo, right? Moves on. And then, like, now I don't say anything, right? Then I tell my mom, because man, that's secret. I tell my mom's like, I don't really know this boy, but I know the other boys and stuff like that. But we just usually see him walking around. We don't really know him. And I'm like, whatever, it's fine. Haters are gonna hate. I need sharp. Then I'm like, so the guy got to know, why don't you ever invite me to your house? He's like, no, whatever, because I'm suspecting that maybe he has another girlfriend. He's got other reasons. Then until one day he's like, you can come and visit me on such a day. I'm like, cool. Then that day, I'm excited. I'm carrying an overnight bag. I get there. The house is like, it's not really dilapidated, but it's not in really good condition. You understand? But it looks cleaned and everything. And I'm like, okay, fine. But anyway, he's a bachelor. What do I expect? Another red flag, bruh. I want my window, guys. My windows, the panel of the windows, I'm a plastic. Like I'm a plastic covers all over the windows. And I'm very suspicious. But anyway, it's whatever. Guys, the pots are broken. There are no plates. There are no paper on a tablespoon. And I'm like, what the hell is this? But at the same time, I'm fooling myself. I need to This is what I'm telling myself. I relax. Guys, it's now towards the evening. It's dark outside. We have to turn on the lights. Guys, guys, it's so dark in the house. Like, as in, you really can't be sure of what you're seeing. The TV is like a small box. Guys, I'm not understanding what the hell is going on. It's like there's so many things that I'm not supposed to... Like, the way that he presented himself to me and what I'm seeing, they were not matching. You understand? Until 7 o'clock, guys. 7 o'clock. Things started happening in that house. Jesus Christ. Yes, the house started showing me flames. Things I did not expect to... Guys, ngithi from 7 o'clock. Money. Guys, ngithi ngo-7, guys. Yazi amagundane aqala ukubuya angathi kade biziwe, guys. Yazi ayethutsha amanye aphuma ngesilinga, amanye aphuma yazi amanye angena ngaphansi komnyango, guys. Abuya ngama-curtain, like they're going down the curtains, guys. Igundane alilazi lina, guys. Guys, liyalazi igundane. Yabona, I'm not talking about mice. I'm talking about rats. As in, yabona lana is size lana engaka, guys. Yabona lana phuma ku documentary lana cutting edge. Okuthola amagundane adla abantwana Alex. You allow, guys. Guys, ngikuxoxeleni something. Amagundane akhona they were every. I'll never forget this day. Early one day, lazogibela phezu kwe couch. Yazini, labona ila couch. Like gibela phezu couch, guys. Lang bheka sola, mngalibheka sola, beliqhubeka lahamba. I am freaking out. Umnikazi wamagundane, guys, is not phased ngitsho la kancane. And I'm just like to him, I imagine, hey, it's like, I know, relax, and I'm like, Mina, no, asla makundane git. Anyway, mina ngithi angcosambe bedroom, and maybe like ngithi just maybe makundane they just like that area kuphela. Ugayathi swi, sambe sehlale bedroom ke. Bedroom, guys, unbelievably, it was so clean. Apparently, the bedroom yakhona belonged to his mom, right? And I didn't know me ukuthi bedroom kaMama, but the bedroom was just clean, like generally, right? And then like now, and the lighting in the bedroom, guys, was so much better. Vele angifuni mamanga. Singene bedroom sesithile khona phana vele ugaya hlathi doors of same time. Mina ngalala, guys. Next thing I started hearing a dragging sound, right? And I'm thinking, no, lapha sokungena abantu la ekhaya. Mina vuka bafu. Ubafu ethi ngithi, can you hear that sound? Ethi no, it's just the rats dragging the pot. The rats dragging the pot. Guys, rats. Ngubani okwaba lamakundela adonsa imbiza kibo. I have never experienced that in my life. Next thing, right, I'm chilling then. I'm just like, okay, fine, let me just try and ignore it. But you're going to see, no matter how bad the situation is, himlo njume ngilale, guys. But papa me, like, I'm feeling, you know when you can feel that something is off. Guys, three lamakundana say Alex aphezu my guys no man 3 amakundana aphezu kwami, guys. Ngingafreak out so ngavuka ngaphuma engutsheni ngabala ngahle ngathatha impahla zami ngathi I'm going, guys. It was around 2 AM at that time. And yazi ukuthi I'm telling myself, I'm like, uthini I would rather be beaten up by thieves and thugs outside than amagundana la endlini. I was prepared ukuthi lo baba uzongishaya shame ukuthi why ngize endlini ngo2 exen, because my father umthetho wakhulula igate livalwa ngo7 unless you have a very good reason. I was prepared. Anyway ngafonela umama ngathi mama emergency situation. Wangivulela umama. Ubaba was worried as well, but ngaphonga ukuvala vala indaba yangikhona. In the morning I tell my parents, did my parents laugh at me, guys? That's bangihleka labana abantu. My parents have no peace. My family really has no peace. Bangihleka. Anyway, bathi kimi ayona khaya phuma kumuntu wakho lo. Ukhada she listen. Angithi abantu bathi build your man. Angithi abantu bathi wena umuntu wakho uyamgeza uyamhlamba. Do you know what ukhaya does? Ukhaya asuka hambe to shop yama pesticides, whatever pesticide don't. Guys, ngafika ngadinga ngathi ngicela strong. Because it's strong muthi wama rats, because there is like an infestation. Bese ngifuna amagama esikhiwa, guys. Ngathi infestation. But right sharp, we can also send someone to come and spray with you, guys. Uguy was sprayer lami ngafaka imithi around the house, guys. Whose money am I using? Yours truly. Sharp, ne? Remember until my window lawana that are broken, the broken panels. What does Kaya do? Him long go window, watch what go Mr. Window. Mr. Window figure lapha away na window, guys. He replaces all the broken windows in the house. Guys, I threw away all the broken pots, guys. Ngafaka brand new pots, brand new plates. Who am I doing this ngemali kaba? Because I need to batin. Build the man. Yimlo Bob the build. Nyam build umuntu, guys. Our next thing at Mama K is coming to visit. I'm like, all right, it's cool. Mama The mom comes and then he calls, like my mom's asking to see you in boy. I go there. The mom was impressed. Oh my God, yeah, you're a good woman. Yes, you're good for my son. Yeah, what? I'm feeling hyped up because I'm like, hey, Mama Zala, guys. Mama Zala is hyping me up and everything, guys. Nkubege relationship, guys. I buy this guy brand new clothes and everything until he confesses to me Tata he's taking like some form of drugs and stuff like that. But Atina, he's working on fixing the situation. What, do I throw away my man because of that? No, guys, I'm buying him clothes, I'm doing all of these things. Next thing, Ugayant is now comfortable. Usageza phela. I need to put him pega because I bought new pots. Guy is gaining weight. Guy is looking good. Guess what Marafaka does? Guess what Umarafaka does? Sengimgeze ngamsusa edotini ngamenza umuntu ebantwini. Guess what Umarafaka does? Angichitele umfana. Angichitele. So guys, before I address the cheating, funa ukutshela status of our relationship at that time. So guys, at that time, I know his mom, I know his sisters, I know his family. His mom is now friends with my mom, and as much as like my family also have some kind of reservations about this guy, but like he had really good qualities. Like he was an extremely respectful man, like as and there was so that's one thing that they really liked the most. So they were willing to overlook so many other things because the Mama K was amazing, guys. Mama K had done well for herself, even the sisters were doing well for themselves. So the mom was actually successful, even as a running business like life in, and she wanted to leave that legacy to her son, obviously. But so when she met me, she really felt like has got a good woman who could take over this whole thing. Tatimuze Kaya and the farm, and everything, And Lami, I really liked her. She should even send like harvest, over like Ngapo to the town and everything, I really felt like if I married, I would have married into a good family. Abantu bathi, sometimes you can marry a good man, but you have a very horrible family. I would have married into a very good family, guys. I can give that family number one. How I find out? I get on my phone, and he's like to me, can you respond to Mama real quick? He's driving. I open the phone, I'm texting Mom, a message pops up, and it's a name. I won't mention her name, but let's just call it Lady D. I see Lady D message. I open the chats. They're sexually talking. So because I need to Kaya is under that mindset, I'm building this relationship and I'm seeing potentially marriage because already even the family is already talking about lobola and everything, right? Fine. We get home, we sit at the bedroom and we're talking. And I'm like to him, who's Lady D? As I'm picking to know, I read the messages. I'm talking to him calmly, guys. I knew lying. I read the messages, right? Then at him, I'm so sorry. And I'm sorry, but let me ask something. What's lacking from me that you're finding in Lady D? At nothing. Then is it a you problem? What's wrong with you to want someone else? athi no ulingekile. Ngithi, are you a polygamous man? Ngibe kwazi khathesi, and we see what we can do about that. Athi he's not polygamous. Then I'm like, okay, fine. So if this is the case and all the things I'm asking you, where wrong khona mina, I can fix things, and you're saying there's nothing. I don't expect this thing to happen again. Ever to sharp, guys. I decided to forgive. It hurts, but I was like, I'm just gonna grow out of this. I leave it there. Even in couple of weeks later, I opened the phone footage again. Messages from whom? Lady D. They are still hanging out and doing what they're doing. I hadn't seen evidence of sex yet, right? I'm saying, I sit down again, like, Baba, foot at this point. Talk to me. What is wrong? Let's fix Indole, because we're both talking marriage, we're both talking future, and our families are now involved in our relationship. Explain to me what's wrong, because lento is osmoshile izinto. Angisha. Lami ngithi njani? I agree with Shasha. Angithi. And at that time, guys, he's actually doing well. He's not smoking much, he's not drinking much. He's actually doing quite well. You see? Over sharp. That time, same thing. This time I find even on my receipts and scrunchy, whatever stuff, emodwen. Mind you, Lady D is married, guys. So my man, his side guy, Lady D. As in, and then at that point, I'm like, I saw those things, I'm like, take me home. He's like, why? I'm like, just take me home. He hadn't realized what in Bonin. I go home. He comes back, he realizes, guys, I phone, he's crying. I text the mother, I'm telling it, I'm done, I've tried. Yo, guys, as a family, and of course, because a lot of women go through this phase of forgiving and everything. Sharp. Next thing, COVID hits. It's quarantine, right? And lockdown, I was at his place, right? And now until the house is now livable, I've made the house okay, I've fixed up everything, lighting, everything is grand now. It's a home. And then that day I was really, really sick, guys. I was terribly sick.